Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brett here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to be an Amazon affiliate, and it's probably one of the easiest way or the fastest way for you to make money online through Amazon. And before we go into the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. So we're going to be talking more about marketing, motivation, and mindset, because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested on this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's go on to the video. So before you're gonna be an Amazon affiliate, you need to create an account with Amazon first, and this is the website. So I'll be putting the link on the description down below. Make sure to check that out. So here is the affiliate program, Amazon.com. Just create an account with Amazon. So once you have created an account with Amazon, you're gonna now promote a product to Amazon. And the fastest or the easiest way for you to make money by doing that is to make a product review, right? Or a checklist or a numbered like top 5 or 5 keywords under product $30, right? So those type of videos. I forgot the term for that. So if you know the term, just let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it. So that's the fastest way you can make money through Amazon. And the best way is, I'm going to teach you now, even though you don't have the product, like if you don't have the cash flow, or you haven't, if you're really starting, if you're a teenager or a student that you don't have the money to buy gadgets just to review them, you can now make a review or a numbered like top 10, right? Or 5 keywords up below 30 in Amazon. The easiest way for you to do that is to create a YouTube channel. And I'm not going to cover that on this video, but if you want, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll just make another video and teach you how to open a YouTube account or a YouTube channel. And so we're now here on YouTube, right? So this is what I'm going to teach you. So let's say we're going to talk about gadgets, right? Because people are actually buying a lot of gadgets in Amazon because first off, sometimes they're really cheap and then they are really good in quality. I mean, I have bought cheap products in Amazon and they have lasted for until now, right? I never had a complaint that what I bought in Amazon are low quality, and you can always return products in Amazon. So that's what I like about it. So let's talk about gadgets. So we're gonna be searching like, hey, let's say keyboards in Amazon. Right. So once you research a keyboard, let's say we're gonna try to promote or sell keyboards in Amazon, and we're gonna make a video out of that. So I did mention that you don't need to buy these products. What you're gonna need to do is just to make a video. And here's the magic. So we search here, right? So these are the videos that are keyboards in Amazon. So these are the keywords. So what you're gonna do is you filter this, right? You go here or you hover here, you click on filter, and then you go here on features, right? And this is it, Creative Commons. So we're gonna look for videos that has a Creative Commons license. What that means is you can use that video or you can reuse that video to make it your own. So you can use a clip and then make another video. So that's the secret. That's how you're gonna make money with Amazon, making a video on YouTube and promoting your Amazon link. So we're gonna do that now. So I'm gonna click here again. You'll go here in features and find Creative Commons. Boom. So these are now the other videos that have a Creative Commons license. So let's go to here at Bitwit, right? So what we're gonna do, just let me mute this for a while. So let's double check. You have to double check if it's Creative Commons. The license on that video is Creative Commons. So we're gonna go here on the description, and here you see here license, and then Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed. So meaning you can reuse the video, and you don't take the whole video and just re-upload it. No, you can't do that. So what you're gonna do is just edit this, right? Take a crop, like edit it like a crop out certain part of the video and then make it your own. So like here, he's talking about mechanical keyboards under $30. So if he's gonna make a video, let's say here, let's say keyboard number 1, you you crop this part of the video and then you do a voiceover, right? So just easy, you just have to research, do a little bit research of product and say, hey, this keyboard is reviewed by this person and he said about this, and I think it's really good because look at the keyboard, it sounds good, it looks durable, and it's probably one of the easiest. Or that's the way you can make a product review, or like what I mentioned before, you can make a top 10 videos or top 5 videos, right? So that's I think that's the fastest or the best way for you to market it. So you crop this video, right? And then you just do you crop this and then you combine all the 5 keyboards and make it on one video, and then you just put an audio, a free audio from YouTube, or a copyright-free audio on top of the video. So that's how you're gonna make money. That's how you're gonna promote. And then when you upload your video now, so this is where you're gonna be doing everything. So when you upload the video, you put on the description of that video, right? The description on that video, your Amazon link towards those products that you just did, right? So if you did a review, you put an Amazon link here on the description, or if you did a top 5, a top 10 bags or keyboard, you can do it right here. So just give you an example. This is what you're gonna do. So let's say backpacks in Amazon 2019. Here, see? So what this guy did with Best Gadget. Let's see if this is also Creative Commons. No, he did it on his own. But look at what this guy did. He made a video of 5 amazing backpacks on Amazon to try in 2019, but he didn't buy this product. But if you can see here, it's all the promotion videos of those backpacks, right? The creator or the owners of these backpacks made a promotion videos, and then you just use that, make another video, and then boom. And here what he did, you see here? He put his Amazon link to that video, and when people see, oh, I like this backpack, so what's the name of the backpack? Look here, oh, I wanted to buy this Mudokurm backpack for men and women. I'll check the link, boom, and then let's see here, let's check this link. Then we're gonna go to his Amazon link, but we're not gonna see his name, but we're gonna be seeing the Amazon store. So here is the backpack, and then when you buy that, you will earn a commission, or in this case, he will earn a commission if you buy that. So that's it, guys. So that's how you're gonna make money with Amazon as an affiliate link, by using a Creative Commons, making a video on YouTube, uploading that video on YouTube, and then put your Amazon link on the description on the video. Alright guys, so I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions, right, if you need help with network marketing business or your online business, just feel free to reach out to me or just comment on this video, because I'll be happy to help you any way I can. So that's all for today. Make sure also to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with my channel. Alright guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.